Our project is called Smart Baby Cradle with motion activated swing using ADXL345 sensor.
The major components that we are using in this project are an Arduino board to program the device as per our requirement, ADXL345 accelerometer which is used to dictate the movement of baby,
UN3904 NPN transistor is used here, which acts as a simple switch. Rectifier diode 1N4007 is used in the circuit. A 100 kilo ohm as well as a 220 ohm resistor is used. For the swinging of the cradle, a servo motor is used. The servo motor have three wires. The red one is VCC, the black one ground, and the orange one is pulse width modulation, which is the signal. Breadboard as well as jumper wires. So these are all the components that we are using for the project. So first we have to connect the components according to the circuit diagram. So we run the program on Arduino IDE software. We have done is we attach the servo motor in a cardboard box so that we can see the cradle moving. Actually, the accelerometer have to be connected under the cradle, but because of the demo is very small, we decided to connect the accelerometer outside the cradle. We connected the components on the breadboard and we finally connected them with the Arduino microcontroller and run the program on Arduino IDE software. So what happens is when the baby moves, the sensor which is attached under the cradle detects the motion of the baby and it returns the value to the microcontroller. The microcontroller reads the values. So the servo motor rotates according to the motion detected in the sensor. So here we just cancel out the movements in X and Y direction and the sensor only gets detected the motion only in the Z axis. If there is any motion in the Z direction, the motor will start to rotate back and forth for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds, if there is still movement in the Z direction, it will continuously move for another 10 seconds, and this process will continue until and unless there is no movements detected in the Z direction.
In this one, we just presetted the accelerometer to detect only the movement in Z axis, and the other two axes X and Y can't be detected by the accelerometer, and it is pre-programmed in this device to avoid a movement by the cradle if the cradle is swinging.